children, I'm Shruti. So welcome to today's English session. Do you know why I'm here? I'm here to tell you a story. Do you all love stories? Your parents, grandparents, everybody used to tell and give you stories, no? So I'm here to tell you the story of two ants. Have you seen ants marching and walking? Very beautiful to see the ants, no? Walking and collecting their foods. So today, welcome to the first chapter, the two ants of your Kerala reader. So, I'll begin my story. Okay. On one fine morning, can you see the sun is smiling? And the plants and the trees are pleasant. The two ants, they are very happy. So they are very good friends. They go out of their homes. Now, do you want to know their name? The big ant is Ben and the small ant is Sin. See them? They are holding their hands and they are walking. Do you know where they are going? Have you all gone to parks? Huh? There are many rides, many toys in the parks, no? So now, the two ants, the Ben and the Sin, they are walking to a park to play, to enjoy. So now, see this? See? What a beautiful park. You all have visited parks, no children? So now, Ben and Sana, they are ready in the parks to play. Now, there are many rides in the park. Now, they are sitting on the swing. Have you sat on the swing? Have you moved it? How does the swing move? The swing moves back and forth. Here, the Ben and Sana is sitting on the swing and they are moving back and forth. They enjoy playing in this ride. And there are many other rides also in this park. Do you want to know which are the rides? Slides, seesaw, many rides. So now they got bored and they thought to jump into another ride. And do you want to know what they did? They jumped into the another ride. See now? Where are they now? They have reached the seesaw. They are very happy now. They are seeing the seesaw for the first time. See, the Ben and Sin are sitting on the seesaw. The Sin is up and the Ben is down. They started to play in the ride. The Ben is up and the Sin is down. They enjoy seesaw. So now, suddenly something happened. Do you want to know what that happened? See, the Sin goes up and the Ben falls down. Where did the Sin go? The Sin went up in the sky and the Ben reached down on the ground. Now, the Sin is up on the leaf of a tree and the Ben is down on the grass. See this, children? Poor Ben and Sin. See what happened? Poor Ben. Sin started crying. And Ben is so sad. Ben is looking at the Sin. The Sin is sitting on the top of the leaf of a tree. And Ben is down observing the Sin. Cannot do anything. Very helpless. And Sin is crying and crying. So suddenly a dewdrop saw the Sin crying. See the dewdrop? Can you see a dewdrop here? Can you see the Sin here? And see, the Ben is also very sad. See your face? If you cry, if you feel sad, how will you cry? You will feel tired, no? You will weep and cry, no? See, the Sin is also crying. So dewdrop told the Sin, Sin, don't cry. Why are you crying? I'm here to help you. Wipe off their tears. So the Sin felt little happy. And what did the Sin do? It wiped its tears. Now A pleasant smile came on the Sen's face. Now Sen, okay, tell me, how can you help you? The Sen asked the dewdrop. So the dewdrop told the Sen, Sen, you do one thing, jump down to the yellow leaf. See, can you see a yellow leaf here? So the dewdrop asked the Sen to jump down to the yellow leaf. So the Sen jumped down the yellow leaf, and the dewdrop, the Sen and the yellow leaf floated in the air. See, the three are very happy now. The ant, the yellow leaf and the dewdrop, they are floating in the air. They are very happy now because they are going to reach down. Finally, what happens after floating? What happens after floating? See? The Sen has reached down. Now Sen is meeting the Ben. And the Ben is also meeting the Sen. They are thrilled. They are very happy. And Sen and Ben thank Dewdrop for bringing the Sen down. So now Sen and Ben hugged together. The pleasant smile came on their face. Now the other ants also joined them. So the Ben and Sen is observing all the ants. And the Ben, the Sen and the Dewdrop and the other giants started to dance and play together. Very nice, no? See, they all are very happy. They started to play again. Hope you all have enjoyed the story. Thank you.